job. Are you helping? Oh, you're so helpful.
Thank you, Lucette.
Okay, let me get this out of the way. Do you want to open that? What is it?
Thank you, Lucette.
What's in there?
Let's see, Mommy. I'll undo the tie.
What is that?
I think she's used to having something like it. Okay, let's see, Lucette.
Oh my
Okay,
goodness.
See if you can get that out of there, honey. That's yours. See if you can take it out.
What's in there?
Let's look inside the bag. What's in there, Lucette?
Wow.
Whoa, okay. Pull it. Pull. Good. Okay, Beefy, here's the other thing.
Oh my goodness. Is it a little, what is that?
That's a good question. Here, Dee, pull this out.
Oh!
Dee. What's this, Lisa? What's that?
Shopping cart.
Oh, there's
Wow.
a shopping cart.
Wow.
It's a shopping cart. We have some food to put in it.
Oh my
Boxes.
goodness.
Let's see if you can put those in your shopping cart. You put it in there? Okay, let's put them in the cart. Okay, thank you. Want to put them in the cart? Okay, thank you. Put them in the cart. You're going to put it in the cart? Very nice. Do we have any other food in here? Oh, we have one more box. Oh, you did a lot of grocery shopping.
They say thank you.